This is Myde's landing page, and today we are doing a video to explain what the app does. This is the logo, and it's all about discovering events. This is our first version, and we are looking at developing a much marketable version, and this basically shows you what the app does. Myde is an event discovery app, map based, to show you events around you. It takes you to your current location. This is where I am right now, and it shows you events around you. The Android version was launched on April 26th, and the iOS version was launched on May 7th, and we have about 100 users. Basically, my friends and a couple of people. This event was just created to try and test out what the app can do. Now, this shows you an event around us which is called African Work Culture, and it was created by, when you tap on the event icon, it takes you again to the event homepage. Now it tells you what the event is all about. If you tap here, it shows you the picture of the event, and then the address of the place is at Dauda Fasonya Crescent. Now, it was created event. This app, you can use it to share directly to your Instagram or your Twitter. If you hit here, it tells you can share to Twitter, you can share to Instagram. We're looking at updating these and adding Facebook. You can use this app to get directions to wherever the event is, so no need of calling the event planner, oh, where is this house, what is the nearest address. If you hit this button, it adds the event to your watch list, setting a reminder to remind you on when the event is starting. If you hit this button, it asks you to get directions, so you can, like I said, it gets your directions to the location of the event. Now when you hit this button, it will ask you to complete with either map, internet, or Google Chrome, and then you hit the map button. It will sync your current location to the location of the event and show you a navigation route to where it's here. It tells me I am at Oladele Olashore. The event is at Dauda Fasonya. Is the event details again. And then when you come down here, while creating an event on Myde, he asks you to create an hashtag. Everybody creates an hashtag for their events these days, because it's not just about your event, it's about how social and how much buzz your event creates on the networks. Now, Myde has been able to gamify this idea. We want everybody to be able to brag and tell everyone that there was a lot of buzz around your event. Now, if you look at this, your event icons grow in response to how much feeds from Twitter on Instagram your event is generating. So it goes from no circles to 1 circle to 2 circles to 3 circles until it turns red, signifying that your event is hot. Now, if you want to see what people are saying on Twitter and Instagram about your event, all you just need is to tap the icon below. If you want to see the Instagram feed, you tap the Instagram icon. It shows you what everybody has been saying regarding your event. Rock culture, it shows you what everybody has been saying. Anyone that has used hashtag rock culture, you will see it. Then when you come back, you want to do Twitter, it does the same thing for you. It thinks whatever everybody has been saying on Twitter as regarding your event. That is basically, we plan to create a social network around each event. This page will be further developed to aid users to be able to comment from here on each event. Now let's launch the application, and after you launch the application, other events have been created. All you just need to do is to hit this refresh button, and then it refreshes, and then it adds more events to the picture. Now here is your list view. It shows you all the list of the events happening around you. As we 3 dash buttons are your menu buttons. So when you hit it, there's a drop down. You can create events, my events. Create event is when you want to create events. When you create an event, it comes to your my events. Those are events that you've created. Your watch list are going to be events that you have selected that you want to attend. For example, remember while I was on the African Rock Culture homepage, I tagged it that I wanted to attend it, and here it's on my watch list. Now, if you go back, it takes us back to the homepage, and then you hit this button. How do we create events? All you just need to do, it is free for every user to create an event. All you need to do is to just tap this page, and then it comes down. So now you want to upload a picture for your event, you want to upload a poster. Let's say, okay, this event is called Myde Demo for Demo Africa. So we come to the photo. an option to crop. You crop, you save the image, you call it Myde Demo. You put in a description, a video event showing Myde features. You scroll up, you can either enter the address of the location if you know the location, but if you happen to be in the location, and for locations where addressing seems to be difficult, for example like Nigeria, you can tag your current location. The app will make use of your current GPS longitude and latitude location and tag wherever you are. Now for example, this button by the side of the address bar is the tag icon. We are going to make this button a little bit bigger, and it's going to have words on it saying tag current location. So if you hit this button, it will ask you, when you hit the button, it will ask you, use your current location as event address, and you say yes, and then it syncs it, tells you I'm at Oladele Shore Street. Like I said, now once you do this, you don't need the zip code anymore. So now let's create hashtag MYDE, Myde. It asks you for your start date. Start date is today. The event is starting, let's say 11 o'clock. Dawn, end date, I say tomorrow, dawn at 11 o'clock, dawn, and then you hit create button. And then we wait while it adds the events to the home page. Event has been added successfully, and then it takes you back to the home page where you can see the icon of the event. I'm sure you can see it now. If you hit this button, you see it takes you to the location of the event, and when you tap on that blue icon, it tells you event name Myde Demo. Now one more thing that this does while we wait for like maybe between 10 seconds to a minute, it's going to send in the notification to every other user who is around within a 10-mile radius of me that I have created an event, and it's called the Myde Demo. So as I said earlier, a notification always shows up. Now look at the notification. When you drop this down, it says Myde Demo event is created near you. And you hit this, it takes you back to the event home page where you can get details about the event. Now I can like the event, and will say you have successfully liked the event. Thank you very much for this presentation and for allowing me to share my app with you.